Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking For You. Today we are going to make the fantastic egg bhaji, egg pakoda. So let's begin with the video and check out what is the recipe and how to make the easiest egg pakoda today. Let us start with egg bhaji recipe. In a pressure cooker, add as many as eggs you want. Here we are taking 3 eggs. Add a cup of water. Add salt in water. Now close the lid and make it 3 whistles. Now in another bowl, add besan, add turmeric powder, add chili powder, add ginger garlic paste and add salt and add baking soda to it. Mix until it is completely mixed up. This is for pakoda. Add water to it. Now make a thick consistency paste with no lumps. It should not be more watery or it should not be more thick. Make sure no lumps are left in it. Now we are having a cardamom seeds. We are adding to it. Now leave it to marinate. After 20 minutes, take a pan with the oil. Let it come to heat. Now take the boiled egg, peel it off and coat it with the masala and put it into the oil. This is a very simple recipe to make egg bhajis and egg pakodas. Do the same with another egg. Take the egg, peel it off and coat it up with the masala and drop it into the hot oil. Make sure not to get burned. Keep twisting it up. You can see how finely all the sides are being cooked and egg is not being hurted. Repeat the same with all the eggs we have. Now take it in a separate pan. You can serve this with dal rice or you can have this like an evening snack. You can top it up with mirchi or chaat masala powder for the very good taste. You can also serve it with onions and lemons as an evening snack with the family. Apart from this, you can add any other vegetable in the place of egg to make those bhajis. Hola, here our egg bhaji is ready. Yum! The egg bhajis are really ready to eat. So let's go and try this one and make sure you make them for your loved ones. Thank you. Stay tuned and keep subscribing our channel for more such videos. Thank you.